Hi, TruePath Loans. You got Joe and Adrian here. We're coming at you from Orange County, California. We're here to talk to you a little bit today about mortgage rates, where they are, where they're going in the short term, and what the expectation is for rates in the long term. Maybe you could start off with where they're going in the short term. What's been happening?
Yeah, we've had some of the lowest interest rates in history, and over the last week or two, we've seen them creep up. Mortgages they trade just like the stock market throughout the day, so they can move several times in the day. And this week, we've had a few pricing adjustments that have taken rates up into the high twos, now touching almost 3%.
Wow. So what do you predict in the long term? Are rates going to go into the threes? Should somebody consider getting into a mortgage now and locking a rate?
Yeah, if you could get in the twos, I would secure that rate and lock and get in the twos. We have a big locking bias right now to lock everything up front because we just don't know what's going to happen.
If you see a rate that makes sense for you, how do you secure that rate on a refinance right now? Is there time still to get in for people? Does it make sense? People always ask, what's the minimum? Do I need to drop a full percentage point? Can I do it with less?
Yeah, the full percentage point drop is really an old school way of thinking when loan balances were $50,000. When you're dealing with these higher loan sizes, any little bit on that interest rate is saving you a lot of money. 0.25% on $800,000 is $2,000 a year.
Sure.
That's almost your mortgage payment.
A lot of people also ask, if I paid 10 years off on my balance, if I refinance, do I have to start back at 30 and restart the clock?
You definitely don't. It's another good rule of thumb on that one. You pay so much interest up front, you don't want to start 30 years over again. And that's a big benefit of working with a company like TruePath. We have access to lenders where we could choose your year. If you want a 26-year mortgage or a 28-year mortgage or a 12-year mortgage, we could do it. Thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and drop your questions below. We're going to come back next week and see what we can answer.